ng oras sa kawang gawa.
Guys, baka ngitian kayo ng mama niyo niyan, ha? Hindi ako sweet. Char. Happy birthday po. Hope you like it, ma'am. You have the garland sets and the surprise freebies, free love from C Collection and other event materials. Kalma lang ha, paper bag lang po yan. Happy New Year and advance happy anniversary, guys!